Because the filter elements used to filter air for truck engines are easily worn and cannot be reused, the workshop owner saw a business opportunity. Using a variety of inexpensive raw materials, the filter elements are truly high quality and affordable. The Duxon iron mesh, purchased locally at a low price, it is an excellent raw material for making filter element fixing bubbles. The fine honeycomb structure allows the engine to, during operation, the air intake process is smoother. Although the entire iron sheet is inexpensive, it undoubtedly increases the workload for the craftsman. Just the cutting work alone took 2.5 days of continuous work for the 2 craftsmen to complete. Fortunately, labor costs in Pakistan are very low. An experienced worker can only earn 2,000 rupees a month's worth of living expenses. Here, the fixed net is being shaped. In the processing workshop on the other side, high-quality steel purchased from the local flag is used. High-quality non-woven fabrics are still processed using imported folding machines. Several specially shaped rollers on the machine transform the originally flat non-woven fabric into a denser, wavy shape. Improving the green mesh only requires a few fixed nails to securely connect it to the adjacent workstation. The factory manager also arranged for his cousin to flip the green mesh over, effectively avoiding small gaps at the connection point. Place them inside a fixed net to prevent deformation, then transport them to a temporary storage location. Due to the truck's unique air intake system, a fixed net is after assembly is complete, place them inside. In the adjacent foaming workshop, a craftsman with 2.5 days of experience has already prepared the foam rubber liquid for the green core. All that needs to be done is pour it in. After entering the custom-designed automatic material feeder, precise control of the raw material quantity ensures that all green core fixing bases are produced without excess material, minimizing rubber burrs and ensuring the foam rubber is used according to the design. After adding the material to the custom mold, the assistant shakes it 3.5 turns clockwise to ensure that the high elastic rubber completely fills the mold. Because the mold has internal limit points, only the pre-made filter screen needs to be placed. Then, after 3 and 21 hours, the liquid rubber completely dried and set. Then, it was moved to the demolding station nearby, and the filter element was manually demolded. Although manual demolding is not very efficient, it also provides a job. So even the young assistant, who originally had no job in the village, worked very hard. After Tom finished, the green core only needed to be simply packaged and shipped to the largest local gas distribution center for sales. What do you think of green core's complete production process and its quality?